Roman weddings are especially important to the Roman women, as Roman weddings meant for the Roman to be a coming of age, as they would become a woman from a girl, childhood to an adulthood. On the evening of her wedding day, the soon-to-be bride will take off her bulla and most of her childhood belongings, including toys and their clothing and such, to the household shrine, the Lorarium. This would mean that their household god will present them to it as a woman, and they would proceed on, and as a protection that was given by the household gods, in a way, a payback, in a sense. And then the woman is given such belongings to that belongs to a woman, such as their makeups, hairbrushes, and other things that a girl would not own, but only a married woman or a older woman would own. The bullas were quite important during the Roman times, as bullas meant that, well, bullas were these charms and amulets around the child's neck most of the time, because Romans believed that these bullas could protect the child from the evil harms and evil doings, as they believed the child were very fragile and would die easily, which they did quite often.